Hello, great afternoon, my dear friends. Today I'm at my village, and right now we are going to giving what, and this is my village, and my village is so beautiful. My village is so cute, and here's people are very wonderful because when you will meet with these people, with these all people, you will be surprised that wow, this will be amazing. And you can see the here if you will come in my village and you will saw the in top of my village there is simple place. There is no any kind of valley and forest like that mountain, but here you can see surround of the Jumra Pahad. uh, it looks like a boundary from the mountains. And this time why I'm recording these videos, why I'm making these videos, just because every time, always I say, if you want to speak fluent English, if you want to become a great speaker in English, so it is very important that English should be and must be with you always, with your friends, with your parents, with all people. And this is why, because I have said that I get married from the English, with the English. And for that English must be with me. So, and I would like to say you, I prefer to see the environment, and cameraman please looks around the place, looks my village, and this all the homes and trees, and there is in the near me there is Sarnath Sthal of Santal Parivar, and do you know what is the trees of this name? This trees is very beautiful and very helpful for the human beings, because if you get the wounds in your bodies, and if you will apply this oil of these trees, wound will be okay immediate time. And it is very useful medicine of the wound. And right now we are going to school because both has established in the school. And also I'm giving first time the what. And definitely I choose a very good leader and a very good person. And definitely he will win. And I don't know about that, but because first time I'm giving. And definitely from the next chance, from the next time, I will do better. I will search to good leader, that who is better, who is good, who is working very good for the village, for the nation, for state, and for our lives. So my dear friends, because in the election nobody will give us permission to make videos, and that is why while going I'm making the videos. So, and you don't know very well about me, I would like to tell about my introduction. Like, this is Amit Tuddu, and basically I'm teaching student English in Future Coaching Center at Chopramar. And as a teacher I'm working there. And beside that, I also preparing the public speaking in English. And that is why always I record the videos. And just I'm not a newspaper news reporter, and any kind of parties of BJP like that all. But I'm recording for only improve more English communication, more English practice. This is all. And right now I'm going with my sister. And like you can see here the garden of the banana. Yes, these are the banana. And near I'm near the school, and a few times later, definitely I'll reach. So I'm looking good here, sir. Okay, this is very important, my dear friends, and improve your English this time. English is very important for our life because if you want to become great person right now, we are the generation of AI. We are the generation of the technology. If you are using technology, if you are in the generation of AI, it means English is most important for you. And right now, if you want to work any good company, great company, and in a famous company of the world, so this is very important to learn English. Okay, it is very important to speak English just because we want to be great. And right now, anywhere, any field you want to go, police officer, I come like to that. On water booth. Right now, I come on my first school where I have completed the 8 classes. And right now I'm meeting with my favorite teacher who is supporting me on the going to ahead of my life. So let's talk with that person who is very curious to become. And right now I'm very happy to meet to them just because first time I'm talking in English with in front of him. So sir, how is your life?
ठीक ठाक है।
चलिए सर। सर पहली ब्लॉग मेरा जो चैनल है सालू इंग्लिश शो, चोपड़ा मोड़ पे मैं इंग्लिश कोचिंग चलाता हूँ जहाँ पे मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाता हूँ। और फर्स्ट टाइम मैं आपके सामने भी इंग्लिश में टॉक कर रहा हूँ। हाउ डू यू फील सर?
वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड।
आपके सामने
नहीं, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं, काहे का अपना नहीं, जो अपना है अपना ही है, तो ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
just okay sir, thank you, okay sir, no problem sir. And just we are not the news reporter, just we are increasing our confidence of English just because right now here is my two sister, and also they are studying with me, and they are improving their English. And for improving our English, we need the environment to increase just because all students are learning absolutely, but they are not improving. And when we speak in front of the people, automatically confidence will be increased. Yes sir. Yes sir. And sir, what do you want to say about the viewer?
हम तो हिंदी से ही दे सकते हैं,
जी बिल्कुल सर।
बोलिए।
जी हमारे व्यूअर को क्या आप संदेश देना चाहोगे? जस्ट आई एम नॉट अ टीचर सर, आई वांट टू बिकम अ लाइफ कोच, and I want to teach the student and any people like how to manage the life and how to grow themselves. Just because I belong from where I belong, I know very well how to become. So I want to teach to them, sir. क्योंकि आपको मेरे बारे में completely पता है sir. So please say something.
अच्छा है, आप लोग अपना लाइफ में ऐसा ही तैयारी करते रहिए और आगे बढ़ते रहिए, और जो मेहनत कर रहे हैं, वो मेहनत हमेशा बरकरार रखिए, जीवन में बहुत आगे बढ़ते रहिएगा।
Thank you so much, sir. And